Hi, I'm Aj, and welcome to Tea Break Tips. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a neat little trick with the Lav Concealer to protect your lavalier mount from unwanted wind noise. For this lav mount, we're going to need the Lav Concealer and our Invisible Lav Covers Fur Outdoor. As always, it's really important that you prepare your mic mount before your talent gets to set. So today, I'm going to be using the Sanken COS 11 microphone, and I'm going to prepare it inside the Lav Concealer, just so we're nice and ready to go. So for today's mount, I'm going to be mounting the microphone directly onto the talent's chest, around the sternum area here, directly using our Lav Concealer tape. So next thing to do is to mount the COS 11 inside the concealer, like that, and pre-apply the Lav Concealer tape. You'll notice with the Lav Concealer tape, there's a small little cutout here which follows the shape of the Lav Concealer. This helps to prevent a build-up of any stickiness around the microphone's grid. Because this mount uses a lot of pieces, it's really important to keep a space of dead air around your microphone's capsule. So because of that, we're going to use the fabric guard that comes included with the Lav Concealer. Now for the wind protection part, I've already prepared a piece of our Invisible Lav Covers Fur Outdoor with the Invisible Lav tape installed. And now we're ready for our talent. Hello Caleb.
Hi Aj.
So today we're going to be mounting this microphone on your chest.
Okay.
So if you'd be so kind as to pull your shirt up. Thank you very much. Just going to clean the area, press that down nice and hard, and peel away the backing tape. Just going to mount the microphone right there in the middle of Caleb's chest. Sorry Caleb. There we go.
All good.
All good. Next, I'm just going to stick a loop in the Lav Mic's cable and affix it to the side of Caleb's chest. And if you wouldn't mind turning around, thank you Caleb, and plug it into our transmitter. Okay, turn the transmitter on. I'm just going to tuck any excess cable from the Lav Mic in the back of the waist strap here. There we go. If you wouldn't mind turning around please Caleb. And now we're going to install the Invisible Lav cover on top of the Lav Concealer mount. I'm going to take the backing paper off here to expose the sticky side. So remember, the Invisible Lav tape has a pre-cut window in the middle. This allows your microphone to remain as transparent as possible. So with this mount here, I'm going to aim to put this window around the fabric guard of the Lav Concealer. Stick that down. Make sure it's sealed all the way around, so no wind can get in through the sides.
So that's probably going to protect from a bit of fabric noise?
Yeah, it's going to protect from fabric noise and also hopefully the wind. So how about we head outside and see how it sounds?
Let's go.
Excellent. So we've come outside to test out the Lav Concealer with the Invisible Lav Covers Fur Outdoor mounted on the chest. Over to Caleb to hear how it sounds.
Thanks Aj. It's really cold out here actually. But yeah, that's got the COS 11 in the Lav Concealer, covered with a piece of Invisible Lav Covers Fur Outdoor over the top. So that should give you an impression of how that's going to sound. We're in quite strong wind, you can probably tell by my hair, and I'm really cold, so I'd like to get back inside. Can we go back inside now?
Yeah.
All right.
So I think that went pretty well. Thank you very much for your help, Caleb.
Oh, it's a pleasure. I'm pretty sure it sounded good.
Yeah, I hope you thought so too. Thanks so much for taking a break with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn more about any of our products, please visit bubblebeeindustries.com. Have a windy day.